In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive backup photos. If you've been trying to clear space by removing photo backups from Google Drive and nothing looks like a normal photo folder, that's because backups don't behave like regular files. They're stored as device or app backups, and you delete them from a different place than your usual Drive folders. Start by opening a web browser and going to drive.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that created the backup. If you use more than one account, double-check you're in the right one, or you won't see the backup you expect. Next, look for the Backups area. In the left-hand menu, you may see Storage, and within that, you'll find Backups. If Backups isn't visible, you can go directly to drive.google.com/drive-backups. This page lists device backups and app-specific backups, such as WhatsApp, that may include photos and media. Find the backup that contains the photos you want to remove. Because backups are managed through Google One, you'll see an option to manage in Google One. Click that. In Google One, select the relevant device backup, choose See Details, and then click Manage Storage. You'll now see the apps included in that backup. Scroll until you find the app you're targeting. For example, WhatsApp if you're trying to remove its media backup. Open the menu for that app backup and choose Delete Backup. You'll be asked to confirm. Read the confirmation carefully and proceed if you're sure. This permanently removes the entire backup for that app or device, and it cannot be undone. It's important to know you can't delete individual photos inside a backup. It's all or nothing. If you only want to remove a few images, that won't be possible within backups. A quick clarification: these backups are separate from your Google Photos library. Deleting a backup won't remove photos that are stored in Google Photos. And deleting photos from Google Photos doesn't delete your Drive backups. They're different systems. After deletion, it may take a little while for your storage total to update, so don't worry if the number doesn't change immediately. If you have multiple devices or old backups, repeat the same process and make sure you're selecting the correct one each time. And if you don't see any backups at all, it likely means none exist for that account or the backups were created under a different Google account. That's it. You've removed your Google Drive backup photos by deleting the backup that contains them.